Hello, grade 7. How are you? I hope to be well. Today we are going to start by grammar in Unit 5. So open your pupils book, page 72, 73. Then we are going to answer some exercise in workbook, page 51. Let's start. Today we are going to know what is the difference between much and many and a lot. What is the difference between much and many and a lot? First of all, we use much and many and a lot to talk about big quantities. Big quantities أنا بحكي عنهم لما استخدمهم لما بدي أحكي عن كميات كبيرة. Okay? Now, but we have a difference between many and much. Look here, many, we use many for negative and question sentence. We have negative sentence and a question, but for plural countable noun, plural countable noun. Okay, look at much here. We use much in negative sentence and the question, but for uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. One more again. money وماتش التنتين بستخدمهم في الجمل المنفية وفي السؤال. التنتين بستخدمهم في الجمل المنفية والسؤال. ولكن money مع الأسماء المعدودة وماتش مع الأسماء الغير المعدودة. Okay? Look here. A lot of, okay? Lot of or a lot of, right? We use this in affirmative. So in affirmative في الجملة المثبتة. ما بستخدم أنا في الجملة المثبتة how much or how many. بس a lot of. When we have affirmative sentence, we are going to use a lot of. And negative and the question and countable nouns. Here, much and many تنتين للuncountable وهاي للcountable. lot للcountable والuncountable والaffirmative والnegative والquestion. So lot of بتكون ايش؟ أوسع استخداماتها من many و much. Okay? Look here. Let's answer. أول شيء خلينا نقرأ these sentences together. How much cola do you drink? It's a question and cola uncountable noun. حطيناها much. For example, how many cans are there in your collection? Cans, علب, okay? It's a countable noun, so we use many, and it's a question. Here, I drink or I don't drink a lot of cola. فأقدر أستخدمها a lot of cola. It's a sentence and for negative, okay? For affirmative and for negative. There are or aren't lot of cans in your collections. Yes, are there a lot of people with this hobby? There isn't much difference between the cans. I have got many cans from that part of that board. Yes. Here, complete the sentence with many, much, and a lot. Okay, في أشياء ممكن تظبط لها for example much و a lot to many لأنها a lot هي بنقدر نحطها as many and as much but in a negative and question. A negative and question. So ممكن يكون عندي هون إجابتين صحيحتين. It's okay, no problem. For example, there aren't many bottles in the fridge. Are there many tomato in the fridge? أو are there a lot of tomato in the fridge? تنتين صحيحات. There is a lot of water in the bottle. Yes, طبعا ما بقدر أحط much. ليش؟ لأنها جملة. الجملة المثبتة ما بنقدر نستخدم much لأنها جملة مثبتة فحطيت a lot. Look here, I have got many chips on my plate. Okay, let's hear. Have you got many juice in your class? There aren't many biscuits. Yes, here I have got many chips on my plate. وبتظبط a lot of chips on my plate. Both are correct. Like this one, many and a lot of. Yes, next question here we are going to use how many and how much. It's very easy, many for uncountable, for countable, much for uncountable. Yes, Cola, do you drink a week? Cola, it's not a countable noun, so how much? Burger, do you eat a month? How many? Because we can't count burger. Eggs, do you eat a week? How many? Because eggs is because eggs is a countable noun. Mineral water, do you drink? How much? It's an uncountable noun. Apples, do you eat a week? How many? Meat, do you eat? How many? Sorry, how much? الميت والchicken والfish حكينا إنهم uncountable noun. Pizza, do you eat a week? How many? Because we can't count how many slices of pizza we have eat. Here, juice, do you drink a week? How much? Milk, how much also do you drink a day? Cup of coffee, how many? Yes, here we are going to move for should and shouldn't. Look here, we use should for something that is good idea, for something that is good idea. Yes, we use should here. Where's the pen? Yes, is a good idea. معناها يجب. Also, we use should for advice. We use should for advice. Here, shouldn't, we use it for isn't or not good. لا يجب. Okay, let's read the example here. For example, you should ask your friend to help. You should drink much cola. You shouldn't drink much cola. What should you do? Okay, teacher, here دائما بعد should والshouldn't بمعنى يجب بيجي بجملة دائما الverb verb one. دائما الverb in an affirmative case. An affirmative case without adding. يعني ما بصير تحكي لي you should drinking, you should drink. ما بصير أحكي you should asking, you should ask. Okay? Here, let's complete the sentence by using should and shouldn't. You eat fruit and vegetable every day. You should. لازم ناكل خضار وفواكه كل أسبوع. You throw cans and bottle on the floor. لازم نرمي الأناني on the floor ولا مش لازم؟ Sure, shouldn't. People eat fast food all the time. People shouldn't eat fast food all the time. Number 4, we should be careful when we eat. لازم نكون حذرين من الأكل اللي بناكله. Not all the time fat and sugar and not all the time fast food. So you should be careful. Youngest children should go to bed very late. You shouldn't. Sorry, youngest children should go to bed very late. Not shouldn't. You have a mistake. Shouldn't. لازم ما يناموا متأخرين. So here shouldn't. I'm sorry. Yes. Now let's move, I think, to workbook. Just to delete the drawing here. Clear? Yes. Now next slide, we are going to move to workbook. Here the uses of money and much and a lot. نفس اللي حكيتهم be the first slide. The uses تبعونهم. Look here, we are going to choose the correct alternative in question number 2. I have got a lot of or much of tomato in my plate. جملة مثبتة فنحن نستخدم a lot of لأنها الماتش بتيجي مع النفي والسؤال. There aren't many biscuits in my packet. Okay? وبنقدر نحط a lot التنتين صحيحات. How much or how many eggs do you want? الeggs معدود ولا غير معدود؟ It's a countable noun, so بستخدم لها many. Here, many of people or a lot of people have just have fruit for breakfast. A lot of people, it's a sentence لأنها جملة مثبتة ما فيها نفي. Here, there isn't many or much time to eat. هلا برجع بحكي دائما teacher time حكيتها أنا بالحصة برجع بعيد. time تعد اسم غير معدود. time it's uncountable noun. So دائما بستخدم مع time how much. Okay? Here, and how much fat do you use to roast beef? In fact, something is uncountable also. Here we are going to use a lot and a lot of. شو الفرق بين a lot and a lot of? Look here, we use of when we, just a minute to, yes, we use of when a lot come before nouns. بستخدم a lot لما يكون عندي قبليها nouns. أما ما يكون عندي nouns بستخدم الأوف. we don't use of. يعني لما بدي أحط of أوكي بده يكون عندي بعد الأوف noun. هلا التنتين هم نفس المعنى. لما بدي أحط a lot of لازم يكون عندي بعد الأوف noun. إذا ما عندي بعد الأوف noun بستخدم a lot. خلينا نحلهم مع بعض here. I don't like gravy on my plate. I don't like gravy on my plate. عندي بعد السبيس noun. Here we have a noun. So if we have a noun, we are going to use a lot of. لأنه دائما بعد الأوف we must add noun. So I don't like gravy on my, a lot of gravy on my plate. Gravy حكينا عنها thick sauce. There are some strawberry in the fridge, but not a lot. حطيت a lot. ليش ما حطيت off؟ لأنه ما عندي بعد السبيس noun. ما عندي بعد السبيس noun. لما بدي يكون عندي noun بعد السبيس هستخدم a lot of. Look here also. Is there any meat in that sauce? Yes, there is a lot. Yes, there is a lot. Yes, here. British people drink tea with milk. A lot of British people drink tea of milk. So here we have a noun and space بعد الفراغ فبحط a lot of. دايما بعد الأوف we must have a noun. Here eat a lot of breakfast. We don't have time for lunch. There isn't much sugar but I don't need a lot. It's very easy. Here we are going to choose the correct alternative. You should drink or to drink. شو حكينا دائما بعد should لازم يجي الverb verb 1. So you should drink milk. It's good for you. Here, you should eat fruit and vegetable. When you should or shouldn't I mix sugar with butter? When I should. It's a question. You should or shouldn't visit that museum. It is interesting. هو interesting فأنا بنصحك إنك تروح عليه. So you should. Little children should wear or wearing دغري. الverb حكيت بعد should verb 1 so should wear hat in the sun. His father should or shouldn't drive so fast. It is not safe. He shouldn't, for example, drive so fast. Here, the last question, we are going to make a sentence according to the picture by using should and shouldn't. Here, you should put the rubbish in the bin. You should eat an apple a day or every day. You should then talk in the library or at the library. You shouldn't use mobile phone here. You should drink fresh orange juice. That's enough for today. If you have any question, your teacher, check with me on WhatsApp. يعطيكم العافية and be careful for exam. Inshallah, everything will be easy. This was the last class of this semester. Thank you.